Well, hello, Aquarius. So in May, the sun is illuminating your fourth house of home and family before transitioning to your fifth house of creativity and romance. Pluto, the planet of transformation and change, is retrograde in your first house of self-identity and new beginnings. Aquarius, you may decide to make some big changes to core areas of your life after you do some soul searching. Externally, you could change careers or jobs, move, make modifications to your home, and or change your outward appearance, such as changing your hair or maybe even getting a new tattoo. Others of you are experiencing a shift in self-awareness as you explore your inner world through alternative spiritual philosophies, perhaps in conjunction with therapy, counseling, or support groups. With the High Priestess and the Empress in your tarot spread, I'm picking up an inclination towards feminine-based concepts and ideologies. This is a very healing, nurturing energy. A select few of you will experience a profound epiphany in May as the result of a heartfelt conversation or through the disclosure or discovery of information that you were not privy to before. This source will most likely be from a mature, nurturing figure in your life, like a mother, aunt, or grandmother. Your oracle card, Truth Be Told, has a kind, healing vibe to it. So whatever this is for you, this revelation will bring you closer together, whether this other person is still with you on the earth plane or not. Now, as is common around this time of year, many of you will be attending parties and celebrations. The majority of them will involve family and close friends. Now get ready, because this is your time to shine, Aquarius. You are ready to show off that new hair or tattoo. As your third house of communication is strongly activated, don't be surprised if you end up being the life of the party. However, things could get interesting, as at one of these events, you or someone close to you may make an announcement and or reveal a secret that surprises everyone. Now, I'm kind of laughing here as I see the Empress and the High Priestess, right? They're sitting pretty until the Tower reversed and the Page of Swords reversed comes in and shakes things up. Now, there's no need to panic when the Tower is reversed in a reading. Most of the time, the effects are usually not as harsh as it is upright. It's a shakeup, yeah, but it's more of an eye-opener than a catastrophe. And when the Page of Swords is reversed, get ready for the scoop. Truth Be Told is a nice card, so the reveal should be a positive one. So, okay, I'm going to get to the romance part, because I know this is what y'all are waiting for. Established couples. I see a pregnancy announcement for some of you, but I wonder if someone spilled the tea before you did. That reverse Page of Swords cannot keep a secret. Look at him looking around before he whispers to the High Priestess, "You know, I'm not supposed to say anything, but..." But you know what? It's okay. I think the other ladies in your circle already suspected it, and everyone's happy for you, so congratulations. Others of you may share or receive deeply personal information that the other was previously unaware of. Be open and willing to listen if you are the recipient. Now, this requires a great deal of trust and courage, and knowing that you can both be authentic with each other will significantly strengthen the bond between you. On a lighter side, you may be surprised with a gift or other heartfelt gesture. Okay, singles, I wonder who your secret admirer is. The truth comes out in May, and this is not just an ordinary, "hey, I like you" kind of thing. No, they reveal their feelings in a full-out confession. Now, no matter the gender, the High Priestess and the Empress cards upright denote they think very highly of you, and I think that's a great start. Now, for the rest of you, as the weather warms up and the flowers start to blossom, it's a perfect opportunity to explore outdoor activities, meet new people, and maybe indulge in a summer romance. Whether it's picnics in the park, strolls along the beach, or late-night conversations under the stars, May offers a delightful backdrop for romance and adventure. Put yourself out there, Aquarius, and let the magic unfold. Okay, everybody, that about does it for me. I hope you found these messages helpful. And if you did, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments you'd like to share, I would love to read them. If you would like to schedule a personal reading with me, you can contact me through the website. I love you, Aquarius, and I hope you have a fun, romantic, and creative month of May.